Hi everyone, it's Tony here. There's a new feature which allows you to reply directly to a message in Microsoft Teams. This is useful when you want to reply to a question or to quote something that was sent earlier in the chat conversation. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this on the mobile, desktop and web versions of Microsoft Teams. But first, there are some limitations that you need to be aware of. This feature is not available in channels, but it can be used in all other types of chat in Microsoft Teams. When you reply to an image, it doesn't show the image itself, but if anyone clicks on the message, it will go straight to the original message in the chat. In the mobile app, swipe left to right on the message to reply. In the desktop or web versions, hover the mouse over the message, click here and then click reply. To edit a message after you've sent it, then watch this video here.